So this bizarre ending to the regional Super 50 season, with the captains of the Jamaica Scorpions and the Barbados Pride both deciding to forfeit the final by not turning up to spin the toss. This was after a long rain delay on the designated day of the final, when the umpires decided, okay, shorten game, let us play. The man them said, no, half an hour is not enough to prepare to play. So my question is though, these players went to the ground to play a big regional final. So, rain delay, then what you all in the pavilion doing? I play domino and I drink rum? Your professional duty as players would be to monitor the weather, maintain dialogue with the umpires. You're supposed to be preparing to play cricket, both physically and mentally, until the game is officially called off. And imagine, both captains and both set of players agreed to this unprofessional nonsense. No wonder Jamaica, and by extension, West Indies cricket, gone to the bow wow. Gone to the bow wow, that's it. Gone to the bow wow, then.